Hey guys, Jason here. Second time I'm doing this video. This time I'm going to record it. It was really good in the last version. This one's going to be shorter because I got everything figured out. All right, daily time frame, 1834.26. That's going to be our higher resistance from way over here on August 8th. We've been chipping away at this, and what's key is we're over EMA 12, and we're going to take another crack at that. We're getting daily higher lows, and we're getting ready to try and test that. Should we break through that resistance? There's not a lot in the way. We have EMA 26, and then we have a high way over here at 1909. More likely we'll break out, pull back, establish a base of support, and look to the future. 4-hour time frame really represents a more detailed version of the same story. There's our resistance. We're getting higher lows, higher highs. Things are looking good. Hourly time frame, same thing again. 1776, 1798, and now we're at 1829. We hopefully have established a new higher low, either of these two lows, and then we're going to take a crack at 1834. Should we fail to get through that, we have 1798, 1776, and then way over here, 1738. Finally, on the daily time frame, 1718 as our last-ditch effort for daily support. More likely than not, we're going to hit one of these levels on the hourly or 4-hour time frame. And good luck to you. I hope you guys enjoy these videos. They're a lot of fun to make. And we'll see what Amazon does tomorrow, and I will talk to you then. Hey guys, Jason for TheChartGuys taking a look at Apple. If you're looking at this chart and it doesn't make a lot of sense and you're seeing a lot of confusion, you're not alone. It's a lot of noise here, and what I'm focusing on the short term is these 3 candlesticks. So ever since August 19th, we've had this tightening range, and we're seeing bearish dominance during the day, but we're seeing higher highs and higher lows, so it's a little bit of a mixed bag. Ultimately, I'm going to be looking for support over at 210.03, and then high day resistance from today for tomorrow, 213.65. So that's a range that we're going to have to pay attention to and make sure that you get your magnets on when you're doing your chart work. There's that range. On the 4-hour time frame, we see that coming into play, and I'm going to adjust that support, and we got a 4-hour uptrend. So even though the bears are winning the day, on the 4-hour time frame is telling a slightly different story. We are seeing that uptrend. On the hourly time frame, our high is 213.65. Hopefully we got a higher low here and bulls can continue that trend. Should they fail to do that, we have hourly support at 210.02, then 209.51. And if they lose that, they're going to fall back down into that abyss territory. I shouldn't call it abyss territory. Likely just fall down to EMA 1226, looking for support at that level. If we manage to break out, we're going to be in a little bit of a fun zone. We don't have much resistance until a high here at 218.03 and then 221.37. Quite a bit of range to move. Unlikely to do that all in one go, but the RSI is quite happy in the middle of the pack and the daily time frame at 59.85. Hey guys, Jason for TheChartGuys taking a look at Netflix. The story of the week, and ever since we broke down here, is the fact that we're in a daily downtrend rejecting from EMA 12. EMA 12, once we get over it, if and when, is going to be a key thing. So keep an eye on that. Weekday today, daily downtrend. We do have daily support at 288, so we were looking for something there. And I suspect that this lower wick here has acted as double bottom support today, and likely will come into play tomorrow, barring a gap down situation or scenario. So daily, still in a daily downtrend, looking for some sign of recovery on a sub time frame. 4 hours, there's the story, lower lows, lower highs, and here we are looking for that support level. Let's move that to 295.76 for 4-hour support. If we manage to hold that and get an attempt for a trend change, we're going to need to see bulls take out 311.75. Failure to do that, we're going to be looking for a higher low over 288, and if we continue the trend, a lower low underneath 288. On the hourly time frame, we are seeing an hourly downtrend. There's that support, 295.76, needs to hold a little bit of a bear flaggish type position, and seeing a lot of resistance at EMA 26 on the hourly. So it all comes down to how we handle that 295.76 situation, and can we see bulls turn things around and get over EMA 12 on the daily time frame. Going to be watching for more clarity tomorrow. Hopefully we get some sort of support at 295 and bulls have an opportunity to turn things around. Hey guys, Jason here taking a look at Tesla. Tesla's in a similar situation to Netflix in the sense that we have this overall daily downtrend and we're really being pinched down by these EMA 1226s. Even though we got over this on August 8th, we've been rejected a couple times and we're looking at that continuation now. So daily downtrend intact. We need bulls to hold something about 211.55 to try and turn things around. We'll go ahead and mark that level in here, save our charts as always, and hopefully bulls can either come down, test a level of support, and then look for a trend change, or maybe tomorrow we'll just come and test this EMA 12. We need to look at the sub time frames of 4 hour and 1 hour to get a sense of direction of what's going on there. 4-hour downtrend very much intact. So we're seeing that new lower high set at 229.77. It all comes down to how bulls handled 211.55. Can we get double bottom support and then attempt a trend change, or we're going to fall right through that and continue the trend as is? On the hourly time frame, bears are in control. 225.52, looking to set a new lower high against EMA 12 and slow the grind down. Hopefully tomorrow, getting a wick down, finding double bottom support, and giving something for the bulls to use. Until then, daily downtrend, hourly downtrend, and the 4-hour downtrend is all intact.